does, yeah. If you let off, it'll go pop, pop, pop.
Yeah. Auxiliary TPM sensor down here, and a lot of stuff taken out of the rear back there for a half gauge, right?
Yeah.
You got your GoPro mount there and everything. This is a serious ride.